going on YouTube? Today is Vlogmas day 7. I'm happy and I'm starting off from my phone real quick because I don't feel like going upstairs to get my camera. Mommy? Yeah. I did. Ashley, you in here, buddy? Oh, look, I know you was in here. What's up, Aubrey? What's up, Daddy? What you cooking? Daddy, Mommy. Some chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Mommy? Yeah, I'm coming. I got my shrimp already clean and seasoned. These I'm using that Bertoli. I ain't gonna take that long to grill the chicken and cook the shrimp. And then these also the dinner rolls, the garlic dinner rolls, the essentials, Food Depot special right there. I'm still admiring my Christmas tree, y'all. I'm about to go get my camera. I'm still admiring my Christmas tree. Remember, it's 20 more days until Christmas because today is December the 25th that I am filming Vlogmas day 7, okay? Because I got to edit this, all right? It's not coming out until Saturday. Got Ashton over there. We got a pretty Christmas tree. And Bay over there, he cooking. All right, y'all, so I have pasta, and it has spinach, chicken, and shrimp, and I have like a dinner roll. I did not film him cooking. All right, I'm ready for them to just eat real quick. I think I want to watch a movie. I don't want to wait till Friday. It's pretty good, y'all. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. That's gonna be my vlog move. Clean this kitchen up. Get Ash in the bathroom, take a shower, and I'm watching the movie. Hey y'all, I really don't know how I got here. I did not plan to record anything when I first started cleaning this stove, but when I noticed that Ashton wanted to join in, I was like, hey, we're gonna record this. So, okay, as you can see, today we're tackling the stove with my little helper, Ashton. First up, we started with the stove top. Ashton and I grabbed our trusty Dawn dish soap, a Brillo pad, and our Scrub Daddy to give it a good scrub. It's amazing how much grime can build up, but teamwork makes the dream work. Once everything was scrubbed down, we used a window vac to suck up all the soapy water. Super easy and quick, and Ashton loved being a part of the process. Next, we brought out the glass cleaner to polish up the glass top stove, leaving it sparkling and streak-free. But we didn't stop there. We sprayed the entire stove from the top to the bottom with Method's multi-purpose cleaner. It's perfect for cutting through grease and giving everything a fresh, clean finish. Finally, we wiped everything down, inside and out, and the stove was as good as new. With Ashton's help, this cleaning session was both productive and fun, and I'm kind of hoping that he can help me out in the future. As you can see, he kind of got a little carried away with spraying the Method spray, so I had to pull back out the window vac just to get up all the soapy, I guess from the, I don't know, I guess from the spray. But hey, we got it all done, and that's what's more important. Again, y'all, I don't know how I got here with cleaning. How did I get to doing a clean Vlogmas? But I'm here for it. I'm here for it. After finishing the stove, I moved on to the cabinets and counters. This wasn't a deep clean, just a quick wipe down to keep things tidy before the next big mess. I used Method's multi-purpose cleaner again, and it worked wonders cutting through those little smudges and fingerprints. Next, it was time to tackle the refrigerator. I wiped down both the inside and outside. Nothing too crazy, just enough to keep things fresh and organized. Ashton kept me company, and of course, as soon as I started, he decided he wanted cereal. So I paused to grab his snack, but not before noticing the microwave was messier than usual. The microwave needed some extra attention today. I gave it a good scrub inside and out, using warm soapy water to get rid of all the splatters. It looked brand new when I was done, such a satisfying transformation. Then I boiled some hot water to pour down the sink drain, just to freshen it up and clear any buildup. After that, I scrubbed the sink and polished it until it shined, giving the whole kitchen an extra clean feel. With the sink done, I went back to the counters and made sure everything was spotless before turning my attention to the bar stools. They needed a quick wipe down too, especially since Ashton loves climbing on them with his sticky hands. From there, I grabbed my Dyson vacuum cleaner and started on the floors. I vacuumed the entire area, paying extra attention to the corners with the stick attachment. The sofa got some love too. I gave it a good vacuum to pick up all the crumbs and dust that seems to appear out of nowhere. Finally, I pulled out my Swiffer mop to finish the floors. A quick mop over the entire space gave everything the perfect clean finish. With the kitchen sparkling, the counters clean, and the floor shining, it felt so good to wrap up this day's cleaning session. The same cleaning session that I did not plan for, so I was really pleased with how everything turned out. If you are a big family or you have a lot of kids, I'm telling you, these are the perfect bar stools for you to get. They're easy to wipe down with a little glass cleaner and they look brand new. As you can see, everything is all fresh and clean. I can't wait to actually film another another deep cleaning section. And I was looking over, I was like, next time I will be filming from my camera. I realized like how important it is and easier it is to malfunction. I almost wanted to give up and not even finish editing this video because I'm like, wow, it looks so much better on my camera. But I hope that you all can like really get in here and see. And as you can see, I'm also not using the correct floor top for the vacuum cleaner, only because I feel like the one for the rugs and carpet, it picks up much better. That's just my opinion. I felt like the other one had a light on there, but I would see so much and I would just be constantly vacuuming over and over, versus the one that's used for the floor for the rugs also picks up much better. And I always make sure I move my sofas at least once every 2 weeks just to vacuum behind there, because I don't like it when you have like a lot of crumbs up behind your couch. I understand that no one really sees it, but it's really nasty and I think things get really, really sticky that way. So my ultimate goal is to try to clean it up as often as possible. I'd always like mop behind there as well, but not with this Swiffer. I like to use my regular mop when I'm wanting to mop behind my sofas. I feel like it's much faster, but I have to be really, really careful to not use a lot of water on the floor. Based on the floors, they're not the type of floors they're not tiles, so you're not supposed to use a lot of water on there, and I don't want to ruin my floors right now. I'm not in the business or the market to be purchasing new floors, so I want to keep them up and take care of them in a correct way. And this sofa is my favorite, guys. It cleans so easily with the when I'm vacuuming. So yeah, just get into this. All right, y'all. So it's 7 o'clock, and Aubrey don't get home until a little after 8:30. So I am going to mop the floor. As you can see, I already vacuumed everything down here, and the sofa and the chairs, whatever. So I'm ready to mop. Sometimes I go between using like my regular mop or my Swiffer, but I don't feel like making like a bucket of water, and because you have to use really, really light water on this floor. So I think I'm just gonna use the Swiffer. By the time Aubrey get home, it will be dry, and I still have time to put Ashton in the shower, in the tub to get a bath, and I'm gonna take my shower. And he's upstairs right now, so I was like, let me get rid of him so I can mop. All right, so I'm gonna start off all the way over here. And I normally like move my sofas or whatever when I'm doing like a real good mop, but when I'm just doing my Swiffer, I'm gonna move my sofas a bit. A real good mop, move sofas and mop. So I do normally do that at least twice a month, so which is pretty good. That's how my sofas gonna be nasty. My floor behind my couch gonna be nasty. All right, y'all. So that's it. I don't have anything else. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, because I did use my phone being lazy. I'm going to try to pick up that camera tomorrow. But all right, y'all. Bye.